Well, this is how these clips can help you. You take one clip, you peel off the back, you attach it to your desktop. Right, you then insert the cable into the clip, thus it will not go down the back of the desk again. You can then plug your phone into the charger, keep it on your desk, and then let it charge, and then when it comes to unplugging, it will not disappear down the back of the desk, saving you lots of pain and anger. They're great. You get 6 in a pack. For the pack of 6 you get 2 red, 2 white and 2 black. That way every member of your family can have their own cable clip and you won't be pulling your hair out anymore. Now, doesn't that look tidy? Buy them now.